Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Digital World. Today I'm going to teach you how to make lines on MS Word. Okay, let's try. First we type 3 times dash and hit enter. It will draw a simple line. And after that I will type undercross 3 times and hit enter. It will draw a little bit darker line. Alright, now I'm going to hit start 3 times and hit enter. It will draw dotted line. And after that I can use this symbol 3 times and enter. It will generate zigzag line. Alright, now I'm going to enter equal to 3 times and hit enter. It will draw double line. Alright, now I'm going to hit hash 3 times and it will draw 3 lines. Middle one is a darker line. So you can use this shortcut to draw lines in MS Word. Thanks for watching the video.